Vakilsearch.com. Legal is now simple. Service tax registration process, a detailed insight. First, let's begin with understanding what is service tax. It's a tax levied by the government on service providers of certain service transactions, but is actually borne by the customer. Who is applicable to pay service tax and why is it important? Every service provider is liable to pay service tax on the taxable amount of service rendered and is required to get registered with the jurisdictional central excise office if his aggregate value of taxable service in a financial year exceeds 10 lakh rupees. Benefits of registering service tax. You cannot pay service tax and file returns if you are not registered. If the service provider provides service from different premises, registration is required of that premises from where the centralized billing is done. Any offence of failure of non-registration will attract a mandatory penalty of 500 rupees. Process of registering service tax. The Service Tax 1 and Service Tax 2 forms need to be completed. The ST1 can be completed online and ST2 form and application needs to be submitted directly to the Service Tax Department. On submission of both forms, the service tax number will be provided. Required documents for service tax registration. In case it's a proprietorship, the ID proof inclusive of the PAN card, address proof of the business, photographs need to be submitted. In case of a private limited company, the articles of association, memorandum of association, incorporation certificate, passport, voter's ID, ration card, election card, Aadhaar card, PAN card of the company, PAN card of the directors, rental agreement of the office, electricity bill of the office, the house rent agreement, electricity bill of the house, electricity bill of the company, and Form 32 need to be submitted. For a partnership firm, the partnership deed, partnership agreement, passport, voter's ID, ration card, election card, Aadhaar card, PAN card of the firm, PAN card of the partners, rental agreement of the office, electricity bill of the office, house rent agreement need to be submitted. The duration required for service tax is 7 to 10 business days. And the cost for service tax registration starts from 4,500. Why Vakilsearch.com? We are pioneers in service tax registration with 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed. We have a large team of 200 plus experts who have complete information and knowledge on service tax registration. We are 70% cheaper than a comparable chartered accountant in your city, and of course we are a one-point service solution for lawyers, chartered accountants and company secretaries. Finally, our 1,20,000 customers and partners speak for us. Starting from CII to Taxi for Sure, the list goes on. Thank you.